This implied an international and very North American operation because it was headed up by a Canadian businesswoman who hired an American company, and which hired in turn Mexican pilots and counterfeiters.
This isn't some official campaign speech or political speech, and I'm not going to tell you who to vote for, although I suppose it's kind of implied.
And the reason this is really important to me, and this was implied in your question, is there is a lot of misinformation about